Bluetooth CD players are becoming more and more popular due to their convenience and portability. There are many products available to choose Bluetooth CD players, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Bluetooth CD players from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Felman Upgraded Boomboox CD Player. The Felman Portable CD Player is a versatile and convenient device that combines a CD player and Bluetooth speaker in one. With a rechargeable battery and remote control, this device is perfect for use at home or in the car. It also features FM radio, aux and USB support, and a headphone jack. The sound quality is clear and powerful, making it perfect for music lovers who want to listen to their favorite CDs or stream music from their phone. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry around, and the sleek black finish adds a touch of style to any room. Overall, the Felman Portable CD Player is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, portable music player. Number 2. CD Player Portable Arafuna. The Arafuna Portable CD Player is a versatile and convenient device that allows you to enjoy your favorite music on the go. With Bluetooth connectivity and an FM radio, you can easily stream music from your phone or listen to your favorite radio stations. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting playback, while the anti-shock protection feature ensures uninterrupted listening. The player also comes with a headphone and aux cable for added convenience. The LCD screen displays track information and battery life, making it easy to navigate. Compact and lightweight, this CD player is perfect for use in the car or on the move. Number 3. 4000 mAh rechargeable K-pop music player. The portable CD player with Bluetooth is a must-have for any music lover on the go. With a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can enjoy your favorite tunes for hours on end. This K-pop music player also features a Hi-Fi speaker, remote control, LCD display, sleep timer, headphone jack, and supports CD Bluetooth FM radio UDiscox. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or outdoor activities. Get ready to jam out to your favorite songs with the portable CD player with Bluetooth. Number 4. Greedo CD Player Portable. The Greedo CD Player Portable with Bluetooth 5.0 is a versatile and convenient device that is perfect for music lovers of all ages. With its compact size and lightweight design, it's easy to take with you on the go, and its Bluetooth 5.0 technology allows you to easily connect it to your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled device for wireless music streaming. The CD player also features a built-in FM radio, LED screen, and remote control for added convenience, and its headphone jack and aux inputs make it easy to connect to your favorite headphones or speakers. Whether you're at home, on the road, or just relaxing with some music, the Greedo CD Player Portable with Bluetooth 5.0 is the perfect choice for all your music needs. Number 5. KPOP Bluetooth CD Player Portable. The KPOP Bluetooth CD Player Portable is a versatile and lightweight device that is perfect for those who want to enjoy their favorite music anywhere, anytime. With its built-in Bluetooth technology, FM radio, and aux input, you can easily connect your smartphone, tablet, or other devices to this CD player and enjoy your music wirelessly. It also features anti-skip technology that ensures your music plays smoothly, even when you're on the move. With a rechargeable battery that provides up to 6 hours of playtime, you can enjoy your music without worrying about running out of power. Plus, it comes with a pair of headphones and a headphone jack, so you can enjoy your music privately or share it with others. Whether you're at home, on the road, or traveling, the KPOP Bluetooth CD Player Portable is the perfect companion for all your music needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.